not what we needed.
Oh, looks like you lied, dog.
If I can just ever get my phone to snap it. There you go.
Oh, hey, Dad.
Oh, Bert's on.
Alan says hello.
Hello, Alan. I don't know why this is failing so hard.
Are you good, man? If you need me, I can just hold it.
Oh, no, I think it's okay now. Just nobody stare at the screen too long.
Yeah.
You might get...
Apologize for anybody that has epilepsy.
Yeah. You might be screwed. Oh, we got to 12 people pretty quick. Alright, everybody, we'll just give it a couple minutes. Just join live. Thanks for coming and hanging out. Everyone getting ready for this big Browns upset.
Fuck you. Everyone root for the Steelers. We need the Steelers to win.
Huh? Don't do that. I just got yelled at.
What's the name of that beer? I can't find it on my tabs. Yeah.
Proclamation Ale.
Yeah, I know. But what? You curious?
Oh, it looks like it's called...
Double India Pale Ale.
EDA, maybe?
One of those? EDA. Is this K? KDA? That's what it is. Kill, death, assist.
Ah. The crossover.
I give it a 420 or 4.25.
Alright, everyone, we're going to get started. I think timing kind of worked out for this. Then hopefully we'll get most of the break in between games. So we didn't have any unpaid teams. All teams sold, so thank you for everybody that bought teams and paid very quickly, actually. So I'm going to open a couple boxes, then Box and I are going to switch. And he'll finish off
we'll see who's got the
evening.
See who's got the hotter hand. I pulled the 101 last time.
Yeah,
so
maybe we'll do 2 boxes each, and then whoever pulled the biggest card will pull the last one or something.
Down for that.
But let's get started. I should have pulled up another...
Go.
Should have pulled up my laptop. Otherwise, I can't follow chat.
Oh.
Do you have chat on your phone?
I got the chat. We got 17 viewers.
17 in all-time high?
That's probably half the league.
Alright, so we're just going to do a whole box at a time here. I know the past couple of days we've gone pack by pack, but I'm imagining that everybody's going to want to kind of get to the game. So just kind of open up everything, and then we'll show cards one box at a time. Try to not spoiler things.
This is the way. Oh wait. This is what I'm supposed to play the song.
Oh, and also you may hear random beeping. There are cookies in the oven. Oh. Yeah, if we pull any Chicago Bulls cards, I guess we'll be doing pretty well.
You gonna pull a Jordan rookie?
Hope so.
I heard Chandler Hutchinson's on the rise.
What?
I'm willing to
There's
buy,
just going to be all sorts
all
of
Von Miller cards.
All sorts of random basketball references, I think, tonight. Alright, so there was the end of the box.
Is YouTube going to dock us for the song?
Yeah, YouTube will probably. Alright, everybody. Good luck.
Pull some fire, bro.
Alright. Emmett Smith. And again, we'll go with these a little bit quicker. Certainly pause for the orange cards, the laser cards. And if we see any silvers, which I think we'll pull a couple. So here we go. Sherman. First rookie for Vikings.
I'll sleeve up all the rookies. Let's just
Okay.
those.
Hey, at least the Bills won, Jager. You should be happy about that. Box is a Bills fan, for those who are not aware. Devin Singletary. So obviously, Kid Reporter cards. I'm not going to throw them away. If anybody that's actually in the break wants the Kid Reporter cards and does them, let us know and we'll throw them in your package. If not, we really don't have a use for those.
I'll be so
Melvin Gordon, Taysom Hill, DJ Chark, and we have a rookie laser, Denzel Mims.
It's not bad. It could be worse.
Hit some Mims cards Friday night for those of you that join those breaks. Nice laser there. Always love the flipping of cards. Sanders, Detroit, and again, the Jets just hit in every product. It's insane. The Michael P. Ryan base. There you go, Jets. Next laser for the Chiefs, Frank Clark.
Never heard of him.
Kid Reporter. Oh, we do have a memorabilia card in this pack, in this box. So there you go, Chiefs from South Florida Bulls. I'm sure the audience is booing now. But for the Buccaneers, JPP. I'll put the laser down and patch. I'm not sure how they show these.
Oh.
Another
It's
bill.
Jake from State Farm.
State Farm Jake.
It's not bad.
There you go, Bills. Silver patch. Again, those aren't guaranteed, but they do show up. It seems like every couple of boxes.
Where your hit stands at, dog?
We are not putting Jake Fromm on a hit stand. I will not have it.
We don't have any hits. We don't have any other hits. So.
I will not have it. There you go, Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. Laser. Allen Robinson. Anthony Harris for the Vikings. And we have a rookie Broncos, KJ Hamler. Yep. Oh, and we have a rookie laser. Ooh, that's a nice hit. A guy that did very well this season. For the Raiders, Brian Edwards. Nice hit, Raiders.
The Raiders. Oh, Raiders orange rookie? That's cool.
Kid Reporter. Oh, we have our first silver coming up, so I'm going to pull from the back here. Save the silver for last.
Squeeze it hard.
Cooper Kupp, hype insert. Derwin James. Shaq Thompson. And for our silver,
Rookie?
I think I may have ruined that. Not a rookie.
Demario
For the
Davis.
Saints, Demario Davis. So there you go, Saints. Off your win. Which two boxes do I want to leave you with? I guess I'll leave you with those three.
All right, one down. I have a feeling there's probably going to be at least like 3 Justin Herbert bases in this, and probably a RPA of Zach Moss. Calling it.
Zach Moss. Zach Moss was doing so well earlier. I had all my Zach Moss cards ready to post, and then kind of fizzled out.
All right, who y'all got? Steelers or Browns? I got Steelers. Don't mind if the Browns win.
Are the Browns still they're playing like without a coach or something?
I don't know. They got like 16 people on the COVID list. That was like 2 weeks ago. Remember when they played with no receivers?
Yeah.
They lost to the Jets.
But they still have Mayfield and Chubb. I feel like that's...
Oh, and Kareem Hunt. K Hunt. Nick Martino's here. Wow. I remember that guy.
Guessing rooting for the Eagles.
Yeah, Nick Martino. Big season for Philadelphia sports.
Yeah, I would talk trash as a Cowboys fan, but I guess we ended in the same spot. All right, here we go for box number 2. Starting off, J.J. Watt. Man, we have another patch.
I see something cool back there. There's got to be something cool.
Yeah. All right, put these back down. Von Miller for the Broncos, and our patch for box number 2, Going back to the Raiders,
Oh, Ruggs. Auto one time.
Henry Ruggs. Not an auto, but that is sweet.
Oh, dude, color match. Silver color match.
Black and silver, black and silver.
I like how Martino and Bennis are in here. They're probably not even in the break.
It's just an old school UCF reunion. So there you go, Raiders.
That was pretty nice. Nice looking card. Guaranteed dollars.
Our laser
Actually thick sleeves.
goes to the 49ers. There should be a here.
I got
Sure,
it.
pack of sticks.
Got that.
Lamb Jacks. Nice little game today. Go for the Ravens.
Eisenberg's in. Yep. It's like we're at a UCF baseball.
Eagles, and we have the rookie card coming up. Back to the Raiders and back to Henry Ruggs.
Oh, so Ruggs box.
It's the Henry Ruggs hot box.
You didn't even get this in the top loader.
There you go, Raiders. Oh, a laser rookie card. Dallas Cowboys. Trevon Diggs. Nah, not.
My boy
He actually had a fantastic. Oh yeah, Skyler.
Skyler getting in on that. That's Cowboys?
Skyler, yeah.
Wait, I thought he was on the Seahawks.
Nah.
Who's the
Cornerback, he actually did pretty well this year. Not CD Lamb, but nice hit there.
We putting this on the hit stand at least? We gotta have something.
Yeah, we can do that. There's the Kid Reporter card.
Where are they?
Again, anybody wants those, let me know. There should be a bunch in the box. Jaguars, D.D. Westbrook, Darren Waller, and we have another silver. I think that's this way. No rookie, unfortunately, for the Falcons. And the Falcons actually went unsold on eBay, but we did have a buyer.
My buddy Matt took those.
So there you go, Matt. Grady Jarrett, silver. Pretty awesome card. I don't know if he's like celebrating or sprinting off the field, but there you go, Falcons. Oh. And there you go for Washington. Emergent of Chase Young. Didn't win yesterday, but still another pretty dominant game from Chase Young. There you go. Congratulations, Washington. Now I'm working around.
Wait, where are the thick ones again?
Henry Ruggs.
Okay.
Hit stand.
I need a hit stand.
Sam Hubbard. Bengals.
Is that even visible? I don't know.
Yeah, looks good. When my hand's not in the way. David Montgomery for the Bears. Rookie card for the Chiefs. Willie Gay Jr. Willie Gay. Pittsburgh Steelers. Again, about to kick off here. Now, maybe.
Soon.
Cameron Hayward. So there you go, Steelers. Brandon Cooks for the Texans. Melvin Ingram for the Chargers. Grady Jarrett, base, non-silver. And we have a rookie card for our laser. Come on. Still not exactly the top 10 pick we were looking for, but awesome hit there for the Lions. Jeff Okuda. Rookie laser. Congratulations, Lions. Jets. Jonnu Smith for the Titans. And looks like maybe our final rookie, Thaddeus Moss for the Washington football team. So good box for Washington. And our final card for this box, Kansas City Chiefs. And I have honestly never heard of this.
Laurent Duvernay Tardif, you never heard of
The
him?
wrong Duvernay, not the rookie Duvernay. Kansas City Chiefs offensive lineman. So there we go. And then another Kid Reporter card. Again, if anybody wants those, just shoot us a message in the chat. And now Box will take over for the next two boxes. And I think you have a pretty decent shot of
I'm gonna pull some.
surpassing me here.
I'm gonna pull some fire, bro. Pulling some fire. Hand me my beer. This is what we're drinking.
That's what he's drinking.
That's what I'm drinking. It was the last one they had. They offered it to me, so I mean, it's not that good. Box cutter. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh man. Oh, we opened some of these yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing, just plop them down. Ruggs, rookie, spoiler alert. Well, like every other pack, there's a kid reporter, but some of them don't have them, so it's like. Patrick Mahomes, spoiler alert.
The Browns scored. That's hilarious.
Oh, the Browns? What's the score? I'm gonna get wrecked in this game, guaranteed. Oh, I guess the only
One of your Bernie brothers has joined.
Bernier?
Yeah.
This guy's that has a silver prism in it. I don't know what it is, but all right, here we go. I'm not really gonna go through the base that much. So I see somebody cool.
Oh, nice.
Oh, T. Higgins rookie. That's pretty good. I feel like this lighting's a little off. Maybe I think it's just brighter.
Yeah, it's too bright.
All right. Who is this? Joe Theismann, orange laser. You know, from the football team, kid reporter. James Conner, Keelan Doss, Cooper Kupp. Rookie orange. That's cool. Looks like Ruggs. What do you know? Man, Raiders killing it right now. My boy Bruce Smith. Bryce Love. Rookie.
Oh,
Chenault.
I like that.
Not bad.
I love Chenault.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
I like me some Chenault.
This orange looks like Sam Darnold.
I do not like me some Sam Darnold.
Nah. Kid reporter. Looks like a Buccaneer silver prism here.
Deshaun?
Devin White. I think he's on the
Not
I think he's on the COVID list. Patrick Mahomes insert. That's kind of cool.
What is that? Go hard or go home?
Yeah. Rookie. I think it's a Claypool. Yep.
Oh, nice.
Another rookie orange. Oof. I think that's Ravens. I don't know. I can't tell. Broncos.
Back
Judy?
to the Hamler.
Oh, it is Hamler. KJ. All right. Got a memorabilia card here, but I'm going to go... Well, this is bad. All right, here we go. Just going to unveil it like that. Drew Brees orange. All right, here's a
Final year, Drew Brees
memorabilia
orange.
card. DeAndre Swift. Silva.
That's pretty cool for the Lions.
Yep.
All
right.
So what's winning at this point? Is Ruggs still?
I don't know. I think...
Is Ruggs still in play?
Yeah, I think the Ruggs jersey card is still my best hit so far. 2 boxes left.
Yeah, Cody, we're absolutely hitting the wrong Bronco.
What does he want?
You know,
He wants Judy.
just one number off.
What number is Judy?
Or, nah, just a couple numbers off. Judy's 10, I believe.
Wait, who? What?
Judy's 10.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mike, is that how they scored? Apparently Pouncey snapped the ball over Big Ben's head.
you serious? These clowns. As a Bills fan, I really want to face the Steelers again. Okay, here we go.
I was going to ask you about that. Do you actually want to play the Steelers?
Yeah,
I guess so.
Dude, we crushed them in the first week. Danielle Hunter, orange laser. Some base. Rookie. CD Lamb. There you go, Skylar.
Nice.
Skylar with another decent card there. Rookie. Yatur. Gross Matos.
Gross Matos.
Panthers, right? Yep.
Yeah.
Never heard of that guy. Hayden Manning. Is this a silver? Silver coming up. Oop. It's a dolphin, but I don't think it's the right one.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
Silver Ricky Williams. I'm sure that has a market.
Heisman. Hey, you want a Heisman? Devontae Adams insert. Rookie. Let's see. Rookie of, it's a quarterback.
Come on.
Anthony Gordon. Right on.
If you had Anthony Gordon in the pool,
And looks
you win
like
everything.
a Bills orange laser. John Brown. Mr. Smoke. Come on, give us something good here. Give us like an auto. Do they even make orange autos? I don't even think so.
No, I don't think so.
All right, we got a rookie here.
Come on. Eno Benjamin.
Yeah.
What is that? Arizona?
Arizona Cardinals with the random
Is
hit.
it Arizona State product, I think.
Xavier McKinney, rookie to the Giants. Another Giants card, Golden Tate orange. All right, last box coming up, dude. I think it's yours.
You can finish it. It's fine.
My arms are tired, bro. All right, I'm just gonna rip it because
Let's do this. Has to be fire. Steelers are apparently trying to choke away the game with another turnover.
Steelers are garbage ever since like week whatever. Let me get rid of some of this.
So as Jago is opening these, if anybody that's in the break wants to buy your teams again, we are going to run the same break back next week. Not sure if it'll be Saturday or Sunday, but if you're interested in purchasing your teams at the same price, I know there's some absolute steals out there, so I'm sure we're going to get a couple of requests, but just shoot either one of us a message on Facebook or send us a message on eBay if you want to buy your teams again. Again, same 5-box break. Hasn't been hot so far, but we have one more box to go. But
This
anybody
box
else
is
that wants your
box
same
is
teams,
gonna be nuts.
let us know.
Guaranteed.
All right, here we go.
Back oh, I think I see a memorabilia card.
Another mem? Do it. Oh, that's not bad. That is not bad.
It's a good card. Jalen
If
Hurts,
you
rookie
enjoy
year.
quarterback patches, I guess it's not terrible.
Orange of Demario Davis,
Nice Eagles.
Saints. Earl Thomas, Joe Theismann, rookie. Pittman, rookie. Allen Robinson, orange.
That's 2 Allen Robinson orange.
Yeah, you know, he's a hot commodity these days, though. Oh, rookie, orange.
Come on. Julian Blackman.
Blackman on the Colts. Another, that goes with that Pittman. Okay, you got a rookie here. Cakers.
Ooh,
Cakers.
that was quite the game last night.
Still killing it. And a Mark Brunell orange. Look at that.
Mark Brunell has cards.
Blast from the
In
past.
2020, Mark Brunell still has football
1996. Where are you at? Looks like a silver. Silver Lions. Jason Huntley.
Don't know, Mr. Huntley.
Cortland Sutton. Insert. Ogden. Rookie. LSU. Clavon Chason. And one last orange card.
Rookie, come on.
Rookie.
Do it.
Is this really Ruggs again? Nope, it's not Ruggs.
It's the Edwards, but still.
Brian Edwards.
Dang.
All right, Raiders definitely won.
Okay, so Raiders win the break for sure.
Yep.
All right, everyone.
Man. Kind of a dud.
That's the break.
I'll do a little recap.
Yeah, so I didn't really sort these out for
We'll
recap.
do a little, just whatever's in top loaders. Got some decent rookies, some decent inserts.
So I didn't hit any of the big quarterbacks, but still quite a few memorabilia pieces. I guess we did hit one of the big quarterbacks. The fact that we hit Jalen Hurts. So yeah, so a couple nice patches, certainly with
any other
Swift,
rookie
Hurts.
oranges? Oh, here's one. Kuda. Brian Edwards, that's it.
Yeah.
Any decent base rookies? Oh, there's a rookie here. Jason. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick recap.
Man, that's a rookie sword, even though I have no idea who Huntley is.
Two Brian Edwards oranges?
Yeah.
What a joke. Raiders killing it.
Yeah, these actually weren't a bad couple of boxes. Unfortunately, when you don't hit the big three quarterbacks, it looks a lot worse, but a couple of nice
Yeah, just gonna
oranges.
do a quick little recap here. Jersey cards, DeAndre Swift, Jalen Hurts,
Yeah.
Ruggs, a couple good ones from Orange rookies. You got Hamler, Okuda, Trayvon Diggs, Denzel Mims, Ruggs, and two Edwards. Random Dalvin Cook. Let's see, we got a silver rookie of Jason Huntley. And then base of Claypool, Pirine, Ruggs, Akers. Couple more oranges in here, but
Yeah, definitely lots more cards. We'll definitely sleeve up all these. I know they're not all top loaded at this point, but we'll definitely top load those. So thanks for joining us, whether you're in this break, Friday night's break, both of them. Appreciate the support for sure. Again, for the next week, we're definitely going to run this back. Not the best 5 blasters here, for being completely honest, but definitely some fire that we've seen pulled out of everything else, so we're going to run it back. Probably do some baseball as well. And then maybe another football mixer. If there's anything you're looking for, certainly shoot us a message and let us know. But otherwise, hope to see you all back next week. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
bye, y'all.